How to fix the NordVPN app not working. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to see how you can fix if your NordVPN app is not working. So in this case, what you're going to have to do is first open up the app and continue on with the app's policies. Now you can just tap on the sign up button if you don't have an account, but if you already have one, tap on login. Now here you can just go ahead and log into your account. So just enter your login details and then simply log in. But if this is not working on your device, then in that case, you can just go ahead and check your internet connection and see if it's working fine. Then you can just go ahead and try to open up Play Store and then search for NordVPN on the search bar to see if the app is up to date or not. So if you see an update button here instead of open, you might need to update the app to its latest version. And then you can go to your settings. And once your settings is open, open up your app settings. And here you can just search for NordVPN. And once the result pops up, you can tap on the app, go to storage. And here, first thing you're going to have to do is clear cache and then clear data as well. Tap on delete data. Then go to permissions and make sure the phone and notification permissions is allowed. Go to defaults, and here, if there are any defaults set to the app, you just need to make sure that you've cleared those defaults. And finally, go to battery. Make sure that it's set to optimized or unrestricted, depending on your choice. You can just go back and restart your device and see if that fixes the problem. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.